One, this is going to be a pretty brief video compared to the last one. Okay, so obviously you should have viewed and completed the King Gallon video before this, right? So that has to, so that way when you have this, right? So if you did not do this first, do this wonderful, fun little art project first, please do that. Go back and watch the first video, complete that first, because this is going to help you do this. Okay, so this is a lesson 2 practice sheet. So really, if what I want you to do is have these two side by side. Okay, so this is a nice, fun little cheat sheet to help you at least to begin to complete these 3 pieces of the puzzle right here. Okay, so let's start off together. Of course, we're going to have this out in front of you. You'll have your name on the top. You know the drill. So we're going to start off with gallons to quarts, right? 1 gallon. Well, if we look at our wonderfully fun illustration, we can see that there are, let's see, gallon to quart. Remember, the Q's are the quarts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can start this off together saying 1 gallon is 4 quarts. Okay. Now from this point forward, really, because on this side it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it goes in order. Okay. Really, all you have to do is skip count by 4, or if you want to get fancy about it, listing your multiples of 4. Okay, all the way down, and you'll know if you did it right. If this right here, we know that 10 times any number, how to do that. 10 times 4 is 40. If you end there and begin here, you know that you did it right. Okay, moving on to, and again, if you want to pause the video now and complete this part and then unpause it when you're ready to go on, or wait till the very end of this video and do all of it, that's entirely up to you. So the next one is quarts to pints. So G was the king, Q was the queen for quarts. So we have quarts and pints, queens and princesses, right? So for every quart, here we go. 1 queen, 2 princesses, right? 1 quart, 2 pints. So at this point, we are only going by 2s, right? So that's easy enough. And oh my goodness, is that going to be easy, right? So going all the way down, you just keep counting by 2s. That should take you no time. We've been doing that for many, many years. So again, pause it, don't. Oh, and this, when it says underneath, the rule for converting gallons to quarts is blank. I'm going to leave that up to you. I'm not going to tell you what that is. I mean, you can, when they say what is the rule for converting, how many of one for the other, that kind of thing. So I want you to do this bottom part on your own. Put this in your own words. I'm not going to tell you what to put here. I'm not going to tell you what to put here, the rules for converting quarts to pints. I'm not going to do that, okay? It should be pretty obvious, and we're to talk about it right now. So, pints and cups. Well, let's see. That would be princesses and cats, right? And so sometimes it's helpful to kind of cover up one of them, right? Every princess has 2 cats. Every pint has 2 cups, right? P to C. There we go. So again, it's another one of 2s. Again, it should not take you that long to do, right? It should not take you that long to do. All the way down. And again, the rule for converting pints to cups is, again, pretty darn easy. What we have here is, I personally love this part, okay? This is not gallons to quarts. This is gallons to pints. How many pints are in a gallon? How many cups are in 1 quart? Not, you know what I mean? Not how many pints are in a quart, how many cups are in a quart? How many cups are in a gallon? So this is wonderful. You're like, Mr. Brown, how am I supposed to know? How are you supposed to know? It's right here. So everything you need to do D, this is an absolutely no excuses assignment, as Mr. Brown loves to call it. This is a no excuses assignment. Everything you need is right here. In fact, we literally counted those answers in video 1. We've already given, so everything that's a D if memory serves, the end of video 1, we actually talked about that. And it's all right here in black and white. Okay, so I am very, very confident that you can do this. Again, no excuses assignment. When I look at these papers, I should not see anything blank because there's really no reason for it. Okay, my friends, you can certainly do this. So complete this this paper and then check what your next piece of the puzzle is for today. All right, have a wonderful day. Nice job, everybody, and I'll see you around.